Well, back at it again. Fixing to head out to another trip to the ranch. I'll show you what's all on the trailer. I've got 4 propane, the 15 pounders going out there. All the 30-gallon plant pots and trash cans are to fill up some more riverbed gravel to bring it back to finish my little concrete grade beam project I've been working on for a little over a year now. Got a spare tire that I had fixed from the last trip when it blew out. Got a 30-gallon gas caddy, a few 5-gallon jugs, excavator, good bit of rebar underneath the machine there, and a little bit of firewood. In the back of the truck we got a 55-gallon drum, and that's a window unit for the building out there for when it's hot, when we're back out there again. Well, I should be back out at the ranch pretty soon. Hopefully no trailer drama. Well, made it back out to the ranch. Had a little bit of trailer drama, had a tire blowout. That took me about an hour to get everything unloaded where I can get the weight off the trailer to change it. I think the rim's still good. We'll see once the tire gets pulled off of it later. I still need to get down to the building, though I haven't been down there. It's looking pretty dry here. I don't believe we've had any rain since I was out here last, about 10 weeks ago. I got the truck over there. And the Kubota. You know, usually I'll drive the truck down a little ways and then stop and walk back and get the machine, and then keep doing that until I get down to the building. So that's what I'm gonna do. Anyway, I'm here. I'll see you on the next one.